Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Raydium, and basically the Raydium is exchange platform which is on Solana blockchain. So any coins that are on Solana blockchain or most of the coins can be found here, and you can swap them here. So first of all, you need to connect a wallet. You will see this button right there. Once you click on it, you will see all of these options. So for today, let's choose Solflare. Solflare is like a Solana's exchange and wallet. So let's click on it and connect it. Now we can go ahead with our Solflare wallet, and as you can see, you can receive it to this wallet. So to receive it, you can, for example, use like Binance, or you can also buy it here. Once you click receive, you will see here a QR code and an address, which you can copy. And for example, send from Binance, or you can also click buy. And this is what you will get. You can go ahead and spend your currency into Solana, buy it with some of the providers. The payment method would be credit, debit card, Apple Pay. As you can see, there's a lot of options. For the bank transfer, you need to be between USD from 190. So that's basically it. Once you will have Solana into your wallet of Solflare, for example, you can go here on Raydium, and from Solana, you can go ahead and choose any token you want to go ahead and buy. So as you can see, there's a lot of options. So let's choose Bonk, for example. Now you will enter how much Solana you want to go ahead and spend, and that's how much Bonk you will get, the price impact. And here is our swap fee, as you can see. And that's basically it. That's how you can swap it on Raydium. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.